currently short in Aussie dollar. It has pretty much done nothing since I've got in it, except for stay above my entry level. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. Starting here on the 4-hour here on Aussie dollar, we can see that there's sell side delivery here. There's a bearish fair value gap right here. Price pulls back into that bearish gap here, and then trades lower, putting in this swing low right here. And this swing high right here would be protected based on this trade idea. So also looking at the market structurally, you can see here on the 4-hour, here there's a body candle close below the swing low. So that would be a strong closure. Then here on the 1-hour chart, you got price, this same price leg delivering to the sell side. We've got this body candle close below here. Also have a series of bearish fair value gaps here and here. So with here on the 1-hour chart, with this strong closure and the bearish fair value gaps, I would say that the, or at least at the time of this price action, Aussie dollar is trending to the sell side. Then you get this pullback here, which is where I take the entry. Then you can see here on the 15-minute, you have the same price action here to the sell side. Then the pullback here to the buy side. On the pullback here to the buy side, you can see there's structurally a few shifts here internally as price delivers back here to the buy side. But price respects this swing high, which is where my stop loss is located. So you can see my stop loss up here, which covers the distance of the bid-ask spread, the difference in price that you're seeing between the bid and the ask. That's covered right here in the spread for this candle. And then for target, actually we'll come down here to the 1-hour chart. So for target, I've got this swing low down here targeted and come up to the 4-hour. It's right there on the 4-hour. So this is where I'm targeting here, the this level here, this 0.70149 here. But if price ever does make it down to the swing low of the actual price leg, which will be here, I would want to take a major partial, probably about 2/3 I would want to take off, and that's if price can make it there. As you can see here on the hourly, price has now traded into a bullish fair value gap here, and then there's another bullish fair value gap waiting below equilibrium as well. And you can see this price action here on the 15-minute, price responding here. Same thing, here's a bullish fair value gap here on the 15-minute. So the 1-hour and 15-minute bullish fair value gaps now providing a reaction and a return to buy side delivery currently on Aussie dollar. But we'll see how price action plays out and if there's any continuation. But price has just been consolidating here high in the range. So we'll see if price is able to deliver further to the sell side, or if price is intent on returning to the buy side. You can see here these relatively equal highs, swing highs right here as a potential target. Also these relatively equal swing highs right here. So plenty of targets to the buy side if price wants to return there. But we'll see here. I took this trade during the New York AM session. I also took a few other trades during the New York AM session. here in Forex. So I took a position in dollar CAD during the Asian session yesterday that I was able to take some profits on today. So we'll see here on the 4-hour chart, at the time this was the candle here that was breaking out to the buy side. Here on the hourly chart, you can see that same price action right here. In addition, there's a bullish fair value gap here, and I took my entry here. See here on the 15-minute. So I took my entry here on the 15-minute, my stop below this swing low here on the 15, and you can see price delivered to the buy side and consolidate, test my stop loss for quite a while, then deliver to the buy side, pull back, and then I took a 50% partial up here and then stopped out at the break even here, and you can see price continuing now to deliver to the sell side as price action is now currently shifting to a sell. Actually, I'm not going to need to do that. There's going to be a swing right here. Here. So we'll see with this 60-minute candle, there's already been a wick closure. We'll see if there is a body candle close, and there's already a body candle close here. I saw this earlier and considered if I wanted to try to enter the position, but things did not look very clean, and it didn't seem like price was going to pull back to provide the entry I was looking for, so I let this one go, trying to focus on taking the cleaner setups. Also today took a trade on pound dollar. So pound dollar I took a trade on during the New York AM session. So here in this candle you get a wick below and you get a wick above, but this wick above came last, which swept out the buy side liquidity resting above this swing high and shifted price action to the buy side here. And then if you have a look at the 1-hour chart, this is the area that I entered right here. Let's see, some of my information is not here, but this candle here creates a break of structure here, or actually this would be a market structure shift as price is delivering to the sell side here, and then this shifts back to the buy side. So here you get a market structure shift and also get a bullish fair value gap right here. So with this action trading bullish, and now getting this price action here trading bullish, then I was looking for a long position here. As both of the higher time frames were now bullish. Then if you look at the 15-minute, this was the area, or this is the dealing range right here with this Fibonacci retracement tool. You can see price trades down, see price trades into this bullish fair value gap here in this area where it's consolidating here. I took my entry here, which is a 5 minute or based off of a 5 minute market structure shift level. I was late to the position, so I was a bit off. Oh no, this was actually, I was on time for this position. I was late for the dollar CAD position. But here, so I took this position here based on a retest of the 5 minute market structure shift, which now here on the 5 minute chart, this is the level here that I was looking at. And you can see price closes above here in this candle, consolidates, and then finally pulls back enough for the difference of the bid-ask spread for me to get an entry. And then you can see here my stop loss was tested. I think my stop loss might have been like right here, just because the difference between the bid-ask spread was covered here, so I was able to stay in the position. And then you can see price action began to deliver to the buy side. Sweep of this buy side liquidity, I take profits here. And then we can see a little better the profit taking actually here on the 1 hour chart. So this is that first profit taking right here, and then you have this level here, a second profit taking, and then you have this level here. I took all the remaining shares off here, so all out here at this level. And the third trade of the day, because this Aussie dollar was the fourth trade. It was a euro dollar, no, Kiwi dollar. So I took a trade off of Kiwi dollar here. Actually, my charts are still not updated. Here. Okay, so similar setup. Here you have this sell side delivery here. And then on the 1 hour, you get that price action where you get the sell side and you have these bearish fair value gaps. So this setup very similar to Aussie dollar. And here on the 15 minute, with the exception of price pulling back, I took an entry, but price did not respect the range here, and price stopped me out as price went above my stop loss, which was based off of these swing highs. These are relatively equal highs here, so that was an expected target, but I'm just taking the trades as they come, not trying to talk myself in or out of them necessarily, but if I see a clean setup, I'm going to take it. So this was clean enough, so I took it and I was stopped out here. So far 2 wins, 1 loss, and 1 indecision right now on Aussie dollar. As price is still trading above my limit entry, prices come below the limit entry a little bit here. May want to return to it now. We'll see, but so far price has just been hung up here. Price can release to the sell side, then this could turn into a potentially profitable trade and add on to the profits from today. But we'll see how price action delivers as the New York PM session is currently coming near to a close here. But price now is pretty much just been consolidating here, not getting much in the way of delivery here. Price starting to return to the sell side here. Let's see if there's any follow-through or continuation. Approximately 7 minutes, or a little less than 7 minutes remaining in the current New York PM session. The price will reach the high of this previous candle here, which would close any bullish fair value gaps forming here on the 15. So that price is 76.14. So far price is at 76.17. So very close to closing in that gap, or that potential gap. And then you can see here on the 4-hour price trading into this volume imbalance here, and then on the 1-hour similar price trading into this volume imbalance here. Okay, and now price has closed that potential gap, getting further sell side delivery here. See if there's any continuation with this sell side delivery. Price approaching the 0.70600 level. There are equal lows here, so there's going to be sell side liquidity here. We'll see if the algorithm wants to target it and continue. This fair value gap has already been traded into, and this fair value gap has already been traded into. So I would anticipate price to deliver, if it does to the sell side, at least to this area here, the low, the swing low of the price leg, where there's going to be sell side liquidity resting down here. And again, I will take a large percentage of my position off here, likely at least 2/3. If price is to reach that low. Which I imagine, if it did, would be sometime between now and the start of the Asian session, I would imagine, as there would be plenty of opportunity and the lack of volume for price to move around where it needs to. But so far, not getting stopped out, also not getting delivery to target. Seeing indecisive price action or behavior, at least from, let's say, a spectator's perspective. I'm pretty sure the algorithm is intent on what it's doing, and is doing what it is programmed to do. But 1 minute it looks like it's going to stop me out. The next it looks like it may want to deliver to the sell side. So nothing I can do except for take the trade or not, and respect my rules or not. So far so good in this. Plenty of opportunities to take the position off, to add to the position, mismanage, many things that can be done here, but I've entered the position and kept my hands off of it so far, and so far still waiting for an outcome, but this is trading. Things happen when they happen, not necessarily when we want them to happen. But while this price action plays out, less than 2 minutes currently remaining in the New York PM kill zone for today. If you'd like to know more, visit us at onetilttrading.com.